Hello. This video is to show you how to add SAP workflow management to your SAP Business Technology Platform account. In this case, we're using trial account. And so you can see here I'm connected to my BTP cockpit. And to begin, I'm going to enter my trial account. You can see my trial account here. The easiest way to add workflow management, of course, you can add the services manually, but to begin with, and in our case, we're going to click on the left-hand menu under Boosters. When you're in the Boosters window, you can see the different options that you have available to you. Most of them are part of the extension suite, just like workflow management is, with one down at the bottom here for the integration suite. I'm going to go ahead and click on the tile for workflow management. On this screen, you get information about workflow management as far as an overview of what it is, components, and then additional resources where you can get more information and learn about workflow, as an example, business rules, visibility, and so forth. Under components, what it will show you is that there are 5 different things that will be added to our account in this case. So you got 4 services: business rules, process visibility, workflow service, workflow management, and then 3 subscriptions. Mainly, other than workflow management, we have the application studio and then the launchpad, which in later things we'll talk much more about. To kick this off, I'm going to, as you can see, highlight the start button, which tells you it's going to kick off a wizard to automatically add these to my account. So I'm going to click on the start button. You can see where it will say, please wait, that it's starting up the booster. Again, this is going to go through and assign service quotas, applications, instances, destinations, and then assigning specific role collections. And this can take a few seconds. You can see on the right-hand side that everything is green, and it's processing the very last part. And then we should get a menu, as you see here, telling us that our booster for workflow management and the different services and subscriptions were successfully added. Information here is I can navigate to my sub account from this window when it's finished. I can open the workflow management launchpad to access workflow, business rules, so forth. I can explore the extension suite and the other services. I can look at use cases from other customers using workflow management. And then, of course, again, documentation, videos, and other solution briefs with respect to workflow management. I'm going to go ahead and close this. I'm going to click on my trial account. And then once this comes up, I'm going to navigate this way to my sub account. Again, many ways of doing it. You can see my sub account here. I'm going to click on that. And again, the point of showing this is this, you can see now over here to the right under my trial account from my spaces, you can see that I have 4 service instances. And when I click on that, what it should show me is the components necessary to be able to build workflows as part of BTP. So you can see here, again, I have business rules, process visibility, workflow, and workflow management. If I go back to my trial account, something that was also added when I look under what are called destinations, you can see here in this menu that there will be destinations, which is mainly authentication, that has been added for process visibility, the workflow runtime, workflow management, as well as the rules runtime. And then there's also other information in here depending on what you have built, as I have. But that's basically how you go ahead and you create or add the workflow services to your BTP account. The next step will be to build our workflows.